Imagine your kidneys as two overworked factory workers, filtering nearly 200 liters of blood every single day, keeping your body clean and balanced. Now picture what happens when sugar walks into the room. They don't just work harder, they start to break down. But here's the twist. When you quit sugar for 30 days, something almost magical begins inside your body. Your kidneys don't just rest, they repair. Stay with me, because what happens in the first 72 hours might shock you more than what happens in the entire month. The first 3 days. The first few days without sugar feel rough. Headaches, mood swings, cravings. That's your brain begging for its favorite quick fix, glucose. But while you're fighting the urge to grab a cookie, your kidneys are quietly celebrating. As blood sugar levels drop, these organs finally get a break from filtering excess glucose. Less sugar means less strain, less inflammation, and cleaner blood. Think of it like turning off a noisy engine that's been running nonstop. For the first time in years, your kidneys can finally breathe. Week 1. By the end of week 1, something incredible happens behind the scenes. Your kidneys start to flush out water and sodium that sugar used to trap inside your body. That's why many people notice less bloating and even a small drop in blood pressure. Your energy begins to stabilize, your urine looks clearer, and deep inside, the microscopic filters in your kidneys, the nephrons, start recovering from years of overwork. It's like giving a worn-out water filter a deep clean. But hold on, because the biggest transformation is yet to come. Week 2. As you move into week 2, sugar withdrawal fades and healing accelerates. Your blood becomes less sticky. That means fewer AGEs, advanced glycation end products, the molecules that speed up kidney aging. Studies show that lowering sugar can actually reduce microscopic scarring in kidney tissues and even decrease protein leakage in urine, an early sign of kidney damage reversing. You might not feel it yet, but deep inside, your body is rebuilding its filtration system, cell by cell. Week 3. Now we enter week 3, the phase most people never talk about. With insulin levels steady and sodium balance restored, your kidneys stop clinging to extra water. Blood pressure drops naturally. Your circulation improves. And there's a hidden bonus. Your risk of kidney stones starts falling. See, sugar doesn't just rot teeth. It increases calcium in your urine, which clumps into painful crystals over time. But after 3 weeks off sugar, your urine chemistry begins to shift. Less calcium, fewer stones, and a lot less pain waiting in your future. Day 30, the rebirth. By day 30, your kidneys are working smoother, quieter, and cleaner than before. Inflammation markers like CRP drop. Filtration improves. And that subtle sense of fatigue you used to carry? Gone. It's not just your kidneys that benefit. Your heart, skin, and energy levels all improve too. Because everything in your body is connected through the bloodstream, your kidneys purify. It's like upgrading from a clogged old water system to a brand new one that runs crystal clear. But here's the real shocker. Most people who make it to 30 days don't want to go back. Science backs this up. People who maintain low-sugar diets have dramatically lower risks of kidney disease, heart problems, and diabetes. And since kidney damage is usually silent, showing no symptoms until 70% of function is gone, prevention isn't optional. It's everything. So every day without added sugar isn't deprivation. It's protection. Protection for your energy, your organs, your life. So now you know what happens when you quit sugar for 30 days. But what if you cut it out completely? Would your body go through a full reset? Would your kidneys, or even your skin, start to reverse age?